Yo, what's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be making a video about crypto as a whole right now, where the market is heading, and how we can kind of navigate this with the use of Easy Algo, which is the best buy sell indicator on the market. If you like it for yourself, click the first link in the description below. So let me change the sensitivity on here. On Easy Algo to 2.3, which works best on the daily time frame. And as you can see right now, I'm pretty optimistic about Bitcoin currently. As you can see, we've had this one-day Bitcoin buy signal here on Easy Algo, and this price action very much resembles the price action we had back here from the May to July bottom. And I would not be surprised to see another run-up, maybe to around the 52K area within the next 3 to 4 months, okay? There's a ton of FUD in the market right now. People saying that crypto is going to go to zero. Usually when that happens, we start the next leg up, and there is just so much salt in the air, and people losing money because they bag hold all the way up here since November, and they're saying it's going to go to zero. I do not think crypto is going to zero. I think we have a lot of room for the next leg up. Let's look at this on a lower time frame, okay? So I'm going to change the sensitivity here on Easy Algo to around 1.7, which works well on the 45-minute chart. And as you can see, if you don't have Easy Algo yet, what are you doing? First link in the description. This makes trading so easy. But we got this buy signal here on the 45-minute chart about 3 days ago. And as you can see, we've seen a huge move to the upside at around 5% with no leverage. As you can see, we're hitting some resistance here at around the 31K area. So this is the big level for me. I think if we can flip this resistance here at the 31K area, then we will definitely see another move up to 35 and 36K and possibly beyond. Now, what I also can see is a rejection from this area. As you can see, we had a rejection right here, and then we tried to make this support, and look what happened. We came back down, okay? So what I don't want to see is something like this, okay, where we do the same thing again with a lower high and another leg down, which could bring us back down to the 28K area, which in that case I would be looking to take along. I'm not betting on Bitcoin going down below 28K. I know a lot of people are saying 23, 24. Is that a possibility? Of course. I personally cannot see that right now. I think we are due for another next leg up. But you don't have to know what is going to happen in the markets. You can use Easy Algo's signals to predict. So as you can see, we got this long signal right up here. And now what I'd be looking for is either a sell signal, which I would be shorting, to come back down to probably around this area. And then if it breaks there, back down to the 28K area. Or to flip this level into support, kind of like what we tried to do right here, and break above the 32K level. So if you were in this long on the 45-minute chart, maybe even on the hour, let's see the hour chart. All right, so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Price comes down to the support and goes right back up to resistance. Now, Easy Algo makes it super easy with the automatic support and resistance line, so you can identify the levels out on the chart and make an educated guess. Now, I don't like how we're starting to see early signs of a rejection here, okay? Even on a lower time frame, we're getting a little bit of a rejection. No sell signal yet. So to me, this level is the make it or break it level right on here. Anywhere from the 31.4 to 32K level. This level has been a pain for us for, a long time, right? Almost a month. We've been consolidating around this area, drop down. We've kind of been in this ranging market, and I just can't see it ranging for that much longer. I think we're either going to see a pretty decent sized move to the upside or a pretty decent sized move to the downside. So I'm going to be looking for on the 45-minute time frame is either a sell signal right here, or flip this into support, right? Maybe come up here to the 32K, maybe try to short it back down as support, and then long from there all the way up to, let's see, all the way up to around here, so the 35K level. So that's personally what I'm looking at in Bitcoin right now. These market conditions are not the best to trade. Obviously, Easy Algo can help with this, but I know some of the best traders that are not trading right now just because the markets are so choppy. So if you are going to trade and you want the most low risk strategy, I definitely recommend going to a higher time frame, like the 2-hour, 8, 12, maybe even the 1-day chart, which is the one that I'm looking at right now. And let's go back to the 1-day chart for a second. I'm going to do some simple TA for you. So let's get rid of these. So for the past year and a half or so, Bitcoin has been in this massive macro accumulation range, right? From right about here at this 28K area, all the way to this 65-ish K area. And as you can see, we had a clear bottom down here, right? Came back, tested the 28K area, came up to 65K, came back down to this 30K area, back up to the 65K area, and then we came back down, right? So if I had to bet, we started at the bottom, came up, down, I would honestly put my money on another move up back to this high 65K range within the next 6 to 8 months, okay? And I know it sounds crazy. People are saying we're in a bear market. I personally think times have changed, okay? I don't think we're following the normal 4-year bull bear market. I think there's too much institutional money in the markets right now. The retail number is way too large. I just can't see us going into, a 3-year bear market where, we're going to consolidate under 28K. I can't see it. If that were to happen, granted, we'd still be able to trade it because we have easy algo. So it wouldn't really affect us that much in terms of trading, but in terms of the long-term outlook of Bitcoin, I think within the next 6 months, we're going to see a move back up to the 65K area. Now, will that go straight up? Probably not. We'll probably kind of do what we did back here in September, maybe come up to this 40K area, come back down, maybe another one to 52, maybe 58, and then maybe we'll hit the 65K area. Do I see new all-time highs this year? I don't know. I don't pretend to know. But I'm just going to follow easy algo signals, and usually these one-day buy signals are pretty convincing. I mean, if we go back, usually when we get a one-day buy signal, price goes up for a good amount of time after that. So I'm looking for a move to the 35K area. If we flip this 31K area as support, if we don't, I'm going to be looking for a sell signal back here on the 45-minute chart using 1.7 sensitivity, and I'll be looking for a sell signal because we are at resistance and possibly short it back down here to the 29K or maybe even the 28K area. And if we lose the 28K area, I can see us going down to 23, 24. Don't think that's going to happen, though. I wouldn't put my money there. But either way, I am prepared to take either a long or short. I will follow easy algo. I will follow the basic support and resistance levels that easy algo has. So that is my game plan for Bitcoin right now. So I think if we flip this area, I'm going to go long. If we don't, then I'm going to short it. So just want to give a quick market update. I'm going to be doing these quite frequently with other coins too and other assets such as Forex, stocks, crypto, you name it. Leave a comment down in the comment section below what you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to analyze the markets and give my input. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content, trading videos, strategies, and definitely make sure to get easy algo, first link in the description below, if you want a buy sell indicator that is actually profitable, that can help you navigate the market so you're not lost and stuck and entering trades blindly without a trading plan. Along with easy algo comes a 23-page PDF with a list of sensitivities and the time frames to use and 6 different strategies that you can use with easy algo to become a profitable trader. But that's it for me, guys. I'll catch you next video.